But Rajesh, we have another query coming from Achar, who has written to us from Madurai. They want your view on three counters actually. They want to know if they can buy 50 shares of Reliance at the current market price. This is for the long term. That is, more, they have a time horizon of more than 5 years for Reliance. And the other are the Bajaj twins, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. Should they enter at the current market price? They have a relatively shorter term horizon for these two, that is 1 to 2 years.
I think all three of them are a buy. Taking one by one, Reliance is a very strong story going forward, not only because of the oil to gas or chemical business, but because of the fact that geo platforms and the media business, their retail business are doing very well. ARPU has gone up. Retail, they have almost 19,000 store. And going forward in the next 1 year or 2 year, I don't know the time horizon, but whenever the corporate action of demerging or listing them takes place, that would be a huge figure for the company. And despite the fact that they are going for such large capex, the debt levels are debt equity ratios almost in a manageable level. So Reliance is a very good buy for the next 5 years. As far as Bajaj twins are concerned, I think Bajaj Finance doing very well. The UM has increased and IAMs have increased. Asset quality is on manageable levels. So one can go long on that too for a medium to short term horizon. But for a longer term horizon, if somebody is looking for 2, 3 years down the line, I think Bajaj Finserv is a better bet because it's the holding company of Bajaj Finance. And apart from that, it holds both the insurance ventures of Bajaj. It has a AMC license. They have launched some mutual funds too. Their NBFC business is doing very well, and IAMs are good. AUM is good, and not to forget that their asset quality is very strong. I think all these three counters are very good bet for long-term horizon. And out of Bajaj twins, I think Bajaj Finserv is a better bet for a longer-term horizon, but for trading or short-term period, Bajaj Finance is a better period. So taking your call on time horizons, you can take a call.
All right, so that's the view coming in on Reliance and the Bajaj twins. But Rajesh, tell us, this is Gurinder who's writing in from Delhi. He wants he has 50 lakhs to invest and he wants your view on any three sectors and three counters within those sectors that you would be bullish on for the next 3 to 5 years. So it's a long-term bet. He wants to know the sectors that you're bullish on and perhaps if you could shed some light on the counters from within those sectors.
See, for a sector for 3 to 5 years, I think infrastructure is very good. BFSI is a very good sector to go for. In BFSI, we have just discussed Bajaj twins that can be considered, or even in the mid-cap space, you can have a look at Poonawalla or Geo Financial, which are good bet in BFSI. Or in banking, you can have a look at HDFC Bank. As far as other sectors are concerned, I think infrastructure is going to do well. Larsen would be a best pick out of that. And defense is one sector which we are very bullish on for a longer term horizon, where one can have a look at HAL or BDL.